Sir, with the collective efforts of central and state government, there has been improvement in the overall law and order situation in the state to a large extent, except for some sporadic incidents in fringe area and the incident on 8 March 2025 in Kangpokpi. There has been a decreasing trend in case of death, injuries, arson, firing incidents, protests, etc.
Manya Sri Maharaja Sanajaoba Leishemba, please.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Not going on record.
For giving
Please
me
sit.
this opportunity
Sit.
to participate in the discussion of Manipur Budget 2025-26 and Manipur Appropriation Bill 2025. Sir, at the very outset, I would like to thank Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji and Honorable
Nothing is going on record. Your time is over. You are wasting time of the House, Mr. You are a senior member. Please take your seat.
For the great concerns of my state Manipur, as Honorable Finance Minister on Monday, 10 March 2025, presented the Manipur budget for the year 2025-26 in the Lok Sabha and today in Rajya Sabha, outlining a total expenditure of rupees 35,103.90 crores. The proposed budget marks an increase from the rupees 32,656.81 crores allocated in the previous fiscal year 2024-25. The total receipts have been pegged at rupees 35.
Nothing is going on record. He is wasting time of the House. Please.
Rupees 35,368.19 crores, up from rupees 32,471.90 crores in 2024-25. As per the budget documents, the capital outlay has been increased by 19% to rupees 7,773 crore over the current financial year ending March 2025. The Manipur's budget provides for over rupees 2,000 crores under special assistance to state for capital investment and rupees 9,500 crores for social sector outlay. A budgetary allocation of rupees 2,866 crore for 2025-26 has been made towards incentives for police personnel posted in sensitive areas. The fiscal deficit is estimated at 3.42% of the gross state domestic product, while the total outstanding debt is projected at 37% of the GSDP. The allocation emphasizes relief, rehabilitation, and infrastructure development, etc., aiming to stabilize the state's economy. Sir, with the collective efforts of central and state government, there has been improvement in the overall law and order situation in the state to a large extent, except for some sporadic incidents in fringe area and the incident on 8 March 2025 in Kangpokpi. There has been a decreasing trend in case of death, injuries, arson, firing incidents, protests, etc. Various measures have taken up for the persons displaced by the violence. About 60,000 persons are currently residing in the relief camp. Around 7,000 persons have returned to their home. Some of these measures include about 400 crores have been provided under Ministry of Home Affairs special package for relief camp operation and support to those affected. I am glad to learn that more support is being provided under Prime Minister Awas Yojana Gramin. 7,000 houses have been approved recently to provide for housing to those displaced persons. Various other supports have given to those relief camps such as healthcare, including mental health support, skill and livelihood training and education, etc. The central government has been extending continuous support to the state of Manipur during this challenging time. Apart from the support given for internally displaced persons, there is huge support in terms of security and law and order. Infrastructure development, vehicles, manpower, etc. have been provided by the central government. The border fencing project taken up by the center must be expedited and completed on priority, as this project is essential for the security of our nation. Various requests made by the state government has also been agreed to by the central government. A special assistance grant of rupees 500 crore was released to support the state in terms of the huge revenue loss suffered. Various relaxations regarding central schemes were also provided, which give relief to the state government. Sir, the people of Manipur are confident that the support of the central government will continue. The economy of Manipur has suffered since the start of the unrest in May 2023. I request the central government to provide continued support for the state in terms of resource and project. Being a small state, the resources invested in Manipur will not have much fiscal impact on the center, but will have a large positive impact on the state. As Manipur holds a strategic location by being the gateway to East Asia, the state can contribute immensely to the economy and security of our country. For this to happen, the support of the central government is important and critical. I believe that this budget will provide the necessary support to the state of Manipur. Sir, I also express my thankfulness to my colleague, Honorable MP, Dr. Ajit Gopsare, for putting all important facts about Manipur. But it is an undeniable fact that more than 60,000 displaced persons, including children and old aged, are still taking shelter in different relief camps, facing the dire conditions for the last 22 months. They have no house, no clothes, no property, and nothing now. Their lives are about to start from zero. So the continued support and help from the central government are highly needed. With these few words and humble demands for support of Manipur, I conclude my speech in the discussion of Manipur Budget 2025-26 and Manipur Appropriation Bill 2025. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Honorable Santosh Kumar P. 3 minutes.